Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I would like to present different types of furniture and furnishings in Austrian German. By the way, thanks a lot for the comment and the video idea. There are many furniture stores in Austria that offer a wide variety of furniture. Some terms are only used in Austria, others are common throughout the German-speaking world. After watching this video, you will be familiar with terms such as Sessel, Nachtkastl, oder Lampenschirm. If you know additional types of furniture in Austria, please let me know in the comments below. Here we go. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to get to know various types of furniture in Standard German and in Austrian German. First of all, let's translate the word furniture. The word furniture means Möbel in German. We can buy Möbel in the so-called Möbelhaus. The first piece of furniture we're going to take a look at is Sessel. Sessel. Do you have any idea what Sessel could mean in English? Sessel means chair in Austria. Sessel covers most types of chairs, whereas in Germany the word Stuhl is more common. There are two more words with Sessel that are often used in Austria: Chefsessel und Sesselkleber. Chefsessel is the chair of the boss. Sesselkleber is a person who is expected to resign but won't resign. The next type of furniture we focus on is Kasten, also Kastel oder Kastel. Any wild guess? In Austria, the term Kasten is used for cupboard. In Germany, the word Schrank is more common, but also used in Austria. In particular, I'd like to point out the word Nachtkastl, which you often may hear in Austria. Nachtkastl is the term for nightstand. Nachtkastl. Another type of furniture you may hear is the word Bankel. Bankel. Any idea? Bankel can be translated as small bench. It can be placed in front of the house, which is called Hausbankel. Hausbankel. If it is placed next to the fireplace, it is called Ofenbankel. Ofenbankel, which is a nice place during winter. Moreover, we can highlight something to do with lights, namely Lampenschirm. Lampenschirm can be interpreted as lampshade. Lampenschirm. Additionally, we might use an item next to the window called Vorhang. Vorhang. Any wild guess? Vorhang is the German word for curtain in English. Vorhang. We stay near the window for our next term, which is called Rollo. Rollo is the German term for the English word blinds. The term Jalousie can be seen as a synonym, Rollo oder Jalousie. The next word may not sound typically Austrian, however, it is quite common, namely Kommode. Kommode. Any idea? The term Kommode means chest of drawers in English. An alternative term could be Schubladenschrank. Schubladenschrank. But I think Kommode is a bit easier to pronounce. One of the most common pieces of furniture in most offices is der Schreibtisch. Do you know the English word for Schreibtisch? the translation is very common and rather simple, namely desk. Desk is the word for Schreibtisch. The one-to-one translation would be writing table. And this is used in Standard German and in Austrian German. Now let's repeat the words one more time. Möbel, furniture. Sessel, chair. Kasten, cupboard. Nachtkastl, nightstand. Bankerl, bench. Lampenschirm, lampshade. Vorhang, curtain. Rouleau, blinds. Kommode, chest of drawers. Schreibtisch, desk. All in all, I hope I could give you a little insight into the topic furniture in Austrian German and Standard German. If you want to know more about Austrian German, please take a look at my YouTube podcasts and playlists. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.